Sherie Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys today how I remove my lace front wig and my ball cap. So if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If this is not your first time here, welcome back, sis. So if you would like to see how I remove my lace front and my ball cap, then stay right here. Don't go nowhere, sis. Stay right here, okay? So now I've had this on for a couple of days now, and I've noticed that the sides is starting to lift up on both sides, and because it's like super hot, you know, it's super hot outside, so I want to remove it. So I figured I'd bring my slay queens along with me so that you guys could see how I remove it as well. So what you're going to need is, you're going to need some alcohol. I use this alcohol here, and I put it into a spray bottle because it's easier to spray. And you're going to also need a rat tail comb and a rag. So what you're going to do is you want to start to spray the alcohol on the lace front. And you just want to rub. I think I'm gonna. Yeah, so you just want to spray it directly onto the lace, and you want to rub it in. It's going to drip down your neck. Just don't let it drip in your eye. Please, Lord, don't let it drip in your eye. Almost got me. Just to be safe, and wipe that. I ain't trying to be blind, y'all. And you just keep spraying. Because it's so hot, I'm like, I noticed that it was lifting. So I'm like, this is the mess. Like, you can't keep slaying with your lace front like this, sis. Like, you can't slay with your lace front like this. It's not cute. So I'm like, let me take this off and bring my ladies with me. Who is alcohol stank, honey? And as you can see, it's already starting to lift up. And you don't want to pull. If it's not coming up, you don't want to pull your hair, because sis, we want our edges. We want our edges. We don't want to not have edges. We don't want to be bald-headed skiddle-diddles, okay? So you take the rat tail comb and you just want to just bring it along the front. Now, I meant to tell you guys that I glued my lace front down with bold hold glue, and I only use one layer. You know how sometimes you can use like a layer, let it dry, put another layer on, let it dry. I literally only use one layer because I had a feeling that I was going to be taking this wig off. And see, voila, it comes right off. Now, if you guys want me to show you how to take the glue off of your lace front, leave a comment below and I can make a video on how to remove your lace, how to remove glue from your lace front, okay? Now with this here, I applied my ball cap with just some Got2b spray. For this, all you need is water. Yeah, all you need is water, so I'm going to use these pads right here. And I'm just going to wet it. Usually I would use a rag for this or a spray bottle, but I don't have any. So I'm just going to just soak it with water. Because I want to use this rag for something else. So yeah, you just want to soak it up. because it's just got to be sprayed. So it really just only needs water. Yo, this is messy. I'm gonna get another one. And you'll see it start to lift up when it's ready to. And you really want to focus on the corners here, because for some reason these corners are so stubborn. So you want to make sure that you get the corners really good. Because again, sis, we want our edges. You don't want to force anything to come off. You want everything to come off very easily. You don't want to lose your edges. So you can kind of start testing it. See, and it's literally coming right off. It's literally coming right off. Right off. And before I put my ball cap on, I had used the black Got2b gel, and I slicked my hair back just so that I wouldn't have any of my edges in the bowl hole glue. See, literally it just comes right off. Right off. And there you go. Now, so you're gonna have like some glue residue on your forehead. And this right here is my foundation. When I melted my ball cap, I used my foundation to make it look like skin, so that underneath my lace, it will look like skin instead of a wig. So I'm gonna wash my hair and get all that out. But for this glue residue here, you just, again, you wanna take some alcohol and you wanna take a rag and you just wanna soak the rag, like soak the rag, and you just wanna start to wipe the glue off. It's gonna be stubborn, so you gotta really like put some muscle into it. And it's gonna be a little messy, but of course, like I said, I'm gonna wash my hair, so like these little pieces right here, it's gonna come out. We just wipe it on a rag. Spray it again. Go at it again. And you just keep repeating this process all the way over. It gets so messy, guys. Like, it gets so messy. Like, usually I throw these away when I'm finished because I get these from the dollar store, because it gets so messy. I'm being a little careful right here because I don't know what, maybe I had a pimple or something, so it started bleeding, and I don't want to put none of this alcohol in there, honey. But there you go. All my edges are still intact. All my edges are still intact. And glue is off. This, I just gotta wash my hair in the shower. And then I'll be ready to put my lace front back on. So, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, sis. I got a lot of content coming for you guys. I'm going to be having some things coming. Like, again, if you want me to upload a video of how to get the glue off your actual lace front, go ahead and put a comment below and give me some suggestions on what you guys want to see from this channel. But, you know, until next time, sis, Keep slaying.